Hi there! Would you like to be able to create, manage, and monitor all of your individual offices, branches, or any subsystems from a single account? Using the SimplyBook.me cluster solution will allow you to do this while keeping each account's data secure and separate to prevent unauthorized access. Only super admin users are able to oversee the reports and statistics and have access to all of the included accounts. This way you can make sure all of your employees have the access level that they need. You will be able to purchase the necessary subscriptions for each sub-account through a single interface. The pricing will be based on the requirements of your business, the number of company branches, and the specifics of each branch, such as business volume and necessary features. You can start small and easily add more branches as you grow. Our cluster solution can benefit businesses of all types and sizes, since you can upgrade to an enterprise server for increased security and performance. Our personal account managers are here to help and answer your questions whenever necessary. They are also here to ensure that you always have someone who is familiar with the specifics and requirements of your business. Schedule a call with our account managers and find out how SimplyBook.me can fit your business needs. If you found this video helpful, you can check out other tutorials and tips on our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe, as well as check the links in the description to follow our social media pages. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.